get a lot of questions from our students about the difference between the point of recognition and the point of cause of a problem. As we've explained before, finding the point of cause, the step in the process where the problem originated, is vital to the problem-solving process. So let me illustrate how to move from the point of recognition to the point of cause, and then what to do at the point of cause. I think this might be helpful. So I'm actually going to illustrate using a process here where a patient arrives in the emergency department, is registered, is triaged, is gowned, and then is admitted and sent to their bed or put into a bed on a med-surg floor. The point of recognition for this problem is that the patient arrived on the floor with the wrong kind of gown. So this type of patient, the process is flowing in this direction. This type of patient was required to be gowned at a certain step in the process with purple scrubs. This just provides a little bit of visual management for this type of patient who is at risk, and lets the people around that patient know that they are at risk without doing any other kinds of things. There were other kinds of things that they would do as well. There was a EMR record notation. There was a note in the EMR and a flag. There was verbal communication. But this was a visual piece of it, and so at the gowning process, the patient was supposed to be put in purple scrubs. So what happens here is, to put this in problem-solving context, that the point of recognition is here, way downstream in the process, where the nurse who is putting the patient in the bed, who's receiving the admitted patient on the floor, looks at the EMR, notices that they are this type of patient, and that this type of patient should have purple scrubs on as a gown, and didn't have those purple scrubs on. So that was the point of recognition for the problem. As we say, you go upstream in the process using the 3 Gs, go and see, get the facts, and grasp the situation until you find the point of cause for the problem, or the step in the process where the problem originated. And in our case, that would be right here. The point of cause would be the gowning step in the process. And we can use the 3 Gs again, go and see, get the facts, to grasp the situation. Every process has inputs and outputs. Every step in the process has inputs and outputs. And so information from triage here should have informed the gowning process. And the gowning process should have resulted in this expectation being met, that this type of patient was put into purple scrubs. We can stop there and say, okay, now what happened at this step in the process? And that's developing the problem statement. And the problem statement for this one would be that at the gowning process step, the patient was not put into purple scrubs. We don't know the root cause of the problem yet. We haven't contained the problem yet. But we know a little bit more about the problem by stopping and going to the point of cause of the problem to do our direct observation, our 3 Gs. What we can also do by finding the point of cause of the problem is we can immediately begin to develop our target condition. And the target condition would be that for this type of patient, they would get purple scrubs. And they didn't. That immediately allows us to go to the 4th quadrant of our problem-solving communication sheet, or the 4th step in our problem-solving process, and begin to design our target condition, our check and control based on our target condition. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. See you again soon.